Hello everyone, this is Osama Zafar, and in today's video we will discuss two problems of LeetCode. Alright, and the first problem will be the 58th length of last word. Let's read the description of this problem. Given a string S consisting of two words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. Okay, let's look at the example number 1. Here we have a string. Hello world. The first word of this string is hello and the second one is word. So our solution, we will use the easiest solution for this problem. Let's discuss about the solution. First we will split our string, and after splitting the string we will get an array. Okay, and the words of this string will become the elements of the array. Okay, so if these words will become the elements of array, then we will definitely can call the last element of this array. Okay, so the first element will be the hello and the second one will be the word. If we call the last element means -1 index, then we will receive the last word, and if we get the last word, then we can easily calculate the length of this word. Okay, so after splitting we can easily return the length. Okay, let's write the solution. Here I am declaring a variable with the name of array is equal to s dot split. Okay, and we will get an array in this variable, and simply we can return in second line now we need to call the last element, and simply we can calculate the length of this element by using length function. Let's discuss our second problem, number of segments in a string. Given a string S, return the number of segments in the string. Okay, let's look at the example. In example number 1 we have a string, and it is consisting of multiple words. Okay, so we need to calculate the number of words in this string. Okay, so it looks like the same as previous, so we can simply split this string and we will receive this array in result, and we can simply calculate the elements of this array, or in simple words we can say that we can simply calculate the length of this array. Okay, now I am declaring a variable, okay, and splitting this string. Okay, now I'm going to return the length of this array. Okay, So these are our easiest solutions. Hope you guys enjoyed very well. So let's meet in next video. Okay everyone, thank you. Allah Hafiz.